Hi guys, hi, it's Josh here, also known as Yoshi Bear. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use your Facebook posts, your organic Facebook posts, to help you raise money for charity. Guys, this is a great tool, especially if you're one of those businesses that likes to use a portion of your revenue or your profits and put it towards a charity that you care about. This post is for you. Even if you have a personal brand, you can use this tool as well. Guys, it's a great tool and I'll show you guys how to use it. Let's go. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your Facebook posts, your organic Facebook posts, to help you raise money for charity. All right. Guys, this is an amazing tool. It's an amazing tool, especially for those of you that are running businesses that have a non-profit angle to your business model, or say that you sell products and you say to people 20% of each sale is going to this charity. This is great for those of you who run those type of businesses. And it's also great for personal brands. If you have a personal brand, so you're trying to raise money for a cause that is really important to you, this tool is awesome. So guys, you need to be on this Meta Business Suite page, right? If you don't know how to get here, all you got to do is you need to type in Facebook Business Manager into Google. Once you've typed that in, then you scroll down and select Facebook Business Suite. Facebook Business Suite. Yeah. Then when you click on Facebook Business Suite, then you're going to get to this page. Yeah. So how to create Facebook posts to help you raise money for charity. So guys, all you got to do is click planner right here. And then on the top right-hand corner, you click create. Before I go any further, guys, I want to let you guys know that I have a mini course on Skillshare, sharing with you my creative strategy for Facebook ads to help you get more results. Guys, I use these strategies all the time for my clients and they work very well. So guys, if you want to have free access to it for a month, all you got to do is click the link in the description to gain access to that. So guys, let's get back to the video. So guys, once you've clicked create, this is going to pop up. This right here is going to pop up, right? Then make sure that you select Facebook. Make sure you select your business Facebook page. You can't do it on Instagram. You can only do it on Facebook. Hence why Facebook is selected. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to come down to this bit here that says raise money. Then click here. Once you've clicked here, it's going to turn it on. And here you can choose the charity of your choice. So when you upload an image or video or any creative asset on Facebook, it's going to have a button that's going to give people the opportunity to donate to the charity of your choice, right? Guys, this is an amazing tool. This is an amazing tool for building more of a relationship with your audience and also doing something doing something that you really care about, while obviously doing your business practices, right? So guys, it's as simple as that. So once you've selected your charity, say for example, I want to select this one right here. Then you basically add your photo, add video, and then once you're happy with that, you can click publish. You can put the link in here, as well as putting the text in here. And that's it. It's super straightforward. The main thing here is making sure this button is turned on and you want to choose a charity of your choice, whichever one that matters the most to you. And that's how you use Facebook posts, Facebook organic posts to help you raise money for charity. So as usual, I'll be coming out with more tips and tricks to help you guys in your businesses. I'll see you guys later. Take care.